Good day everyone! For today, let me discuss to you something about the cooperative jury.
In this video, I will answer 2 questions plus I will present my own collaborative activity. Question 1. What is the cooperative learning approach? Discuss it in your own words.
Cooperative learning approach is an approach on which students learn as they form small groups requiring their collaboration and cooperation towards the completion of a given task. So, this learning approach is modeled from the group jury or from the small group jury rather. So, the role of the teacher here is to provide on a safe learning environment a social system on which small groups tend to solve their own problems through combined efforts and ideas. So here, the students get a break from those traditional teaching lectures on which they are given opportunities to work with their peers, exchange ideas and concepts with one another and solve problems together. It is on a collaboration with their classmates where they acquire new ways of learning.
Question 2. What are the possible drawbacks to cooperative activities? What can you do to address these issues?
Yan. So, I can relate to this. Talagang hindi maiwasan na iba na ang napagkwentuhan during group activity. But, as a would-be teacher, I think I have to be observant of my students at yung actions nila while in a group activity. Yung mga simpleng, katulad ng mga ginagawa ng mga past teachers natin, mga passage experience sa mga by group, para makita lang kung related pa ba yung ginagawa ng students sa kanilang group.
2. Other students may take advantage and just depend on others without contributing to the group.
So for this one, I will make sure that there will be an individual accountability to avoid yung mga sinasabi nating asa na sa grupo. Like on the previous one, kanina sinabi ko, I will try my best to observe who among the group mates or members is actively participating at hindi mga onlookers lamang sa grupo.
3. There's this chance that it will lead to an inaccurate individual
Yan talaga
assessment.
yung parang ang hirap i-grade. Personally, I've experienced that feeling na baka paano kami i-grade as a group kung pare-pares na kami nag-grade or may merits ba kapag mas marami kang nagawa. So, as a would-be teacher, I think I will establish a separate rating sheet for members within the group na magre-rate lang sila isa-isa based on the performance ng kanilang kagrupo para maiwasan yung mga ganyan.
4. It can only highlight few and brighter students.
So, I think as a response to that problem, good grouping strategy must be established. Though wala lang namang perfect na pang-groupings talaga na recommended, but then, as I go along or as I teach my students, makikita ko or makakabuo na siguro ako kung paano ko sila igugrupo ng mas maayos para hindi naman ma-feel ng mga achievers, mga high achievers na sila lang yung maha-highlight or hindi naman ma-feel ng mga medyo nasa baba na involvable or wala silang value sa grupo.
It is quite time-consuming.
Yeah, that's also a challenge. Minsan kasi, kung kailan pa naging grouping saka mas tumagal yung magawa ng isang activity, the factors includes yung asahan or hindi sila talagang required na tapusin ito or ganyan. For that, I will set a specific time for a given activity, syempre considering the complexity of the task. Kung kailan talaga dapat matapos para mahalaga rin yun kasi kapag tayo ay nagtuturo na, and that's one of the common na na-receive ko nung nag-demo ko, overtime siya. So, talagang need na mag-establish hindi lang sa mga group activity but to the other aspects ng demonstration ng specific time interval or time period para dun lang.
Some students may get confused with what they can do or how they can involve himself or herself in the task.
Yan. So, personally, ang hirap pumunta sa grupo na hindi mo naman talaga alam kung ano yung role mo or yung isa mong kagrupo is kinuha na lahat ng role. Parang, ano akala nito sa akin? Hindi ko to kayang gawin yung mga ganun. So, as a would-be teacher, I think I will provide a specific role for each group on which yung function nun, nung role na yon is mahalaga rin or equally important sa pag-complete ng task.
Some students may find it uncomfortable to work with the other group mates.
So, hindi rin may iwasan ang mga ganito sa grupo na may mga iringan or iwasan sa kagrupo. But then, I think that is the purpose of this approach to build the social skills na rin. So, I will try my best to encourage everyone to develop that skill, but still will be sensitive enough naman para sa mga kwento or kung may iringan talaga sa mga magkakagrupo.
Other students, especially the achievers, may find the group grades unfair, especially when group mates do none to a little work.
That I will orient them first of the instructions and the values I'm expecting from them to inculcate as they complete the task.
People learn at different speeds.
Tama naman niya. And it is really hard to use a specific approach that will be applicable to all. That's why I will use different approaches. It's not always cooperative approach so that it may somehow fit the learning styles.
To assess if my grade 8 students do understand the underlying concepts and process of triangle inequality theorems, I have here a collaborative activity which I call the Trust Bridge Model. So for their final task, students have to design and construct the Trust Bridge Model miniature, and this will be done by the group of 3. Each team will design and construct the best trust bridge model using the provided number of bamboo sticks. The number of triangles and its measurement will be up to them, but the length of the bridge must be at least 25 inches. So this is an actual photo of a trust bridge model for their guide. This collaborative activity is structured in grasp model. So this is for grade 8 4th quarter. The goal is your task is to design and construct a truss bridge miniature model. The role of my students here will be as engineer, architect, and a project presenter. Gens, you are going to have a 1-minute presentation of your model in front of the class. Situation: Hogwarts is in need of a Muggle-made truss bridge model. Hogwarts will use your output as a model for the renovation of their damaged bridge brought about by the previous war. Product or performance: You will design and construct the best truss bridge model using the provided number of popsicle sticks. Number of triangles and its measurements will depend on the group, but the length of the bridge must be at least 25 inches. Standards for success: The design proposal will be evaluated according to the following: presentation of the truss bridge model, attractiveness, accuracy of computations, workmanship, utilization of resources, and teamwork.
So that's all for today. Again, this is Kathlene and Geneta, now signing off. Bye-bye!